If you're a new parent, you're in for some fun. Your baby at 4 months is full of surprises. At 4 months, babies are busy little bees and there's so much happening. What most babies do by this age. Now we are going to talk about social emotional milestones. Those are smiles on his own to get your attention. Chuckles, not yet a full laugh, when you try to make him laugh. Looks at you, moves, or makes sounds to get or keep your attention. The next one is language communication milestones. Make sounds like ooh, ah, which are called cooing. Make sounds back when you talk to him. Turns head towards the sound of your voice. The next milestones are cognitive milestones, which means learning, thinking, and problem solving. For an example, if hungry, opens mouth when she sees breast or bottle. Looks at her hands with interest. The last one we are going to discuss about is the movement physical development milestones, which are when you hold your baby's head steady without support when you are holding them, holds a toy when you put it in his hand, uses his arm to swing at toys, brings hands to mouth, pushes up onto elbows, forearms when on tummy. Remember, every baby is unique. Some might hit these milestones early, others a bit later, and that's perfectly okay. Keep your camera ready and enjoy every precious moment. You're doing great, parents. Here's to more milestones ahead. Until next time, happy parenting. Take care.